In this video, you'll learn how to change your eBay business account to a personal account. This process involves a few essential steps, including checking your current account settings and contacting customer support for assistance. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on Account Settings. This action will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. After entering the account settings, look for the personal information section. Here, you will find information about your current account type. It is crucial to review your account status at this stage. Ensure that there are no active business policies that could affect the transition. Additionally, check for any pending transactions that may need your attention before making this change. Next, you will need to contact eBay customer support directly to request the conversion of your business account to a personal account. You can find the contact details by scrolling to the bottom of the eBay help page. Once you reach out, be prepared to provide identity verification if required. Clearly explain the reason for your request to facilitate the process. After you've submitted your request, you will need to wait for confirmation from eBay. This may take some time depending on their response time. Once you receive confirmation, navigate back to your account settings to review your updated account details. Ensure that all your personal information is accurate and up to date. It's also important to check the selling policies that may change as a result of this conversion. Monitor your account for any restrictions that might apply to personal sellers. Be aware of the personal selling limits that will now be in place, as these may differ from your business account privileges. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.